Dr. Ranganathan, can you equate a Hindu Rashtra with a Muslim Rashtra? Can you explain?
Good evening, Rahul. पहले तो एक चीज मैं clear कर दूं. What kind of a Hindu Rashtra is this? Where the Hindus have been through our parliament, our courts, education system, our constitution, reduced to not just second class but rather eighth class citizens. What kind of Hindu Rashtra is this where Ram Navami, Hanuman Jayanti, Durga Puja processions, even Garba celebrations are attacked and stoned with impunity? What kind of hopeless goose-stepping Schutzstaffel, Rahul, are we to be stomping our way to a fascist Hindu Rashtra from Jammu, where Muslims are shouting from mosque they will behead Nupur and all those who oppose Azan and Hijab, to Hubli, where Muslims are pouring onto streets because some Hindu kid photoshopped a Bhagwa flag, from Mumbai, where Muslims are gathering in their tens of thousands for the funeral of the terrorist Yaqub Memon, to Aurangabad, where Muslims are rioting in the streets because someone's Facebook post said Aurangzeb was a mass murderer. What kind of Hindu Rashtra is this where a sitting Prime Minister says minorities have the first right to resources? What kind of Hindu Rashtra is this where Kashmiri Hindus are forced to be refugees in their own land, where one can settle 40,000 Rohingya Muslims but not 7 lakh Kashmiri Hindus, the land's original inhabitants? Where the judiciary says it is too late to prosecute those who raped, murdered, ethnically cleansed lakhs of Hindus? What kind of Hindu Rashtra is this, Rahul? Where Hindu temples are exclusively controlled by the state? Where Hindus have to beg for Waqf land to celebrate their festivals, Ganesh Chaturthi? Where the government usurps hundreds of thousands of acres of temple land and is responsible for more than 100,000 temples losing lakhs of crores in rental income? What kind of Hindu Rashtra is this where the RTE Act discriminates only against Hindus and their schools, forcing tens of thousands of them to shut down? What kind of Hindu Rashtra is this where monsters like Aurangzeb and Tipu, who perpetrated Hindu genocides, are eulogized through state-sponsored publications, naming of roads and cities, organizing of festivals? What kind of Hindu Rashtra is this where a law was about to be enacted, where only the Hindus would have been held guilty in a communal riot, even if they were in a minority, for example, in Kashmir? What kind of Hindu Rashtra is this where court judgments like the flawed Sabrimala and legislative enactments like the Hindu Code Bill purport to reforms only Hindu religious practices but dare not touch practices of other religions, and if they do, the decisions are promptly reversed like in Shah Bano? What kind of Hindu Rashtra is this where the Places of Worship Act continues to deny the Hindus their legitimate right to correct historical injustices and reclaim thousands of demolished temples? And finally, what kind of Hindu Rashtra is this where the Waqf Act gives overarching power to Muslims to declare a 1500-year-old temple in Tamil Nadu to be an Islamic land when Islam is only 1300 years old? Rahul, just 10 seconds. If this is a Hindu Rashtra, honestly, I'd much rather be in a Muslim Rashtra, because then at least there'll be no pretense of equality, Rahul. A kafir will get what he deserves.